Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, I will say you some warm exercise. Be ready students? Everyone sit in a place. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap children. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Coming to the point children. Subtract. See what you have to do, you should draw the column first as ones place, tens place. See 54 minus 23. Here what I did, here how they given 54 minus 23. Understood? If they given like this, 23 from 54. If they given like this, what you have to do? From this number to this number you should minus. As that's why you should write 54 up, 23 down. Here directly they given. Understood? That's why you should write 54 minus 23. See 4. In the 4 you should minus 3. 3 after up to 4 you should count. 3 after 4. 1. That 1 you should write. Here 5. Here 2. As in the 5 you should cut 2. What you have to do? After 2 you should count up to 5. Understood? 2 after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. That 3 you should write. What is that answer? 31 is the answer. See 67 minus 27. Okay. You should write column first. Ones place, tens place. As minus 67 minus 27. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 2. 2 after up to 6 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers came? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? 40 is the answer. Understood? Next. 78 minus 45. See, columns you should draw. Ones, tens minus 78 minus 45. 8 minus 5. See 5 after up to 8 you should count. As 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. That's 3 you should write here. Here 7 in the 7 you should cut 4. As 4 after up to 7 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 3. The 3 you should write here. What is that answer? 33 is the answer. Next. D1. 89 minus 58. C. Ones, tens. C. 89 minus 58. S. In the 9 you should cut 8. 8 after 9. Only one finger. S. 8 you should cut 5. Yes, in the 8 you should cut 5. 8, 5 after you should count up to 8. 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 3. That 3 you should write here. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Children, everyone open your workbook. 13th one. See? 26 from 73. S. What you have to do? Column. Already they given the column. S. In that columns you should write the numbers. Ones place, tens place. Minus. See? 26 from 73. See, from which number? 73. You should write up. 26 you should do minus. S. Subtract. See, here 3, here 6. It will go? No. You should take borrow from here. Now this is 13, here 6. S. In the 13, 6 you should do the minus. Up 6 after up to 13 you should count. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 came. See how many fingers came here? 7 fingers. That 7 you should write here. Okay. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. S. Now 2 after up to 6 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. 47 is the answer. Understood, children? Next. B1. What is that B1? 235 from 589. S. The given the column. See, 3-digit numbers this is. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, 235 from 589. 589 up you should write. Minus 235 you should write down. Understood? Again, you should do minus. 9 minus 5. 5 after up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write here. Here 8 is there, here 3 is there. 3 after up to 8 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 5. That 5 you should write here. Here 2 is there, here 5 is there. 2 after up to 5 you should count. 2 after 5, 2 after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. That 3 you should write here. What is that answer? 354 is the answer. Copy in the workbook, children. Turn the page, children. 14th one. See, what is it? 14th one. The given solve is 46 minus 28. 46 minus 28. Should draw the column as ones, tens, minus, you should write here. See, 46 minus 28. In the 6, 8 will go? No. You should take borrow from here. 16 here, here 3. 16, you can cut easily 8. Yes, 8 after up to 16 you should count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers came? 8 fingers. S. That 8 you should write here. In the 3 you should cut 2. 2 after 3. 1. What is that answer? 18 is the answer. B1. 382 minus 119. Yes. Column. Draw the column. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Minus 382 minus 119. See, ones place, 2 up is there, down 9 is there. It will go? No. You should take borrow from here. 12. Here 7. 12 minus 9. 9 after, up to 12 you should count. 9 after, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. The 3 you should write here. Here 7 is here, here 1. In the 7 you should cut 1. 1 after 5, 6, 7. Sorry. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 6 fingers. That 6 right here. Understood? Here 3, here 1. In the 3 you should cut 1. 1 after up to 3 you should count. S. 1 after 2, 3. How many fingers came? 2. The 2 you should write here. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook. When we are doing subtraction or problem, you should know the keywords. As children, see, keywords, subtraction keywords. How much left? Find the other. Which is lesser? How much more? Find the difference. Remain. Minus. More than. Fewer than. Less. Take away, decrease by. How many more? ER types words like faster, larger, shorter, slower, higher. See, again I will read. Subtraction keywords. How much left? Find the other. Which is lesser? How much more? Find the difference. Remain. Minus. More than. Fewer than. Less. Take away. Decreased by. How many more? ER type words like faster, larger, shorter, slower, higher. Step 1. Read and understand what do I need to find out. Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation to be used. Step 4. Finally, solve the problem. Understood, children? First step, what is that? Read and understand. What do I need to find out? Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation be used. Step 4. Finally, solve the problem. Understood, children? These all you should keep it in the mind. See, keywords of the subtraction. Already you know addition keywords. Now subtraction keywords. Understood? When you are doing word problem, you should follow these steps first. Understood? First read and understand. What do I need to find out? Again, step 2, find the information given in the problem. Step 3, decide the operation to be used. Step 4, finally solve the problem. Understood, children?